Today I want to go and give you a basic tutorial on how to go and rewatch your replays from the last games you played. Like now, I won a game that I never ever do, not really. So this is something big for me and I really want to go make a video out of it. So you go to career, then you go to replays, so it's loading. And then you need to go and find your replay from when you played. So then you click on it and you just need to go and play it. And you're in game. You can control everything, like when you first made the kill, you just click on it and it shows you the kill. Pretty bad, but ouch. Okay. So you can also go and stop it. You can go and switch cameras. You can do a lot of stuff. So yeah, that's how you can go and watch your replays. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and please comment down below, give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye bye. Check me out on Spotify, KC.